Hello guys, this is Elite 420. Now today I'm gonna show you how to make your own homemade face mask. I know there ain't no mask out there for you to buy, nothing in the store. So I'm gonna show you how to make your own at home. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how you can make your own mask. A pad, small size, 2 rubber band. If you're a kid or you have a small face, whatever, use this. Large pad with shoelace. You can also use this. Now, all you have to do is grab the pad, put it on the bandana like this. You're gonna fold this other way for the other end. Grab your shoelace. Pretty simple. You can do this all day. Grab this end, fold it. Grab this other end, fold it in. You're gonna pull your shoelace, pull the other shoelace. Now remember, grab this end, fold it like this, and just tuck it in here like this. Once you tuck it in, you're also gonna fold it in like this. Then pick it up. Tie it up. Make sure it's really tight. Then you make sure you fix the top over here, the bottom of your eye, the bottom, the side. This kid feels good, you know. You could breathe, cough, anything you want, and you're safe. You have yourself a face mask. You know, you could do this, just buy a bandana, pad. You know, I use pad because I know I don't use pad, but I know it's safety. Women use it all the time, but I know it will protect me, myself, from other people coughing around me and sneezing. I use it as a filter. Okay? So if you like this video, you know what to do. Just hit that subscribe button and stand up for the next video. Thank you.